Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and great in your lives. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English with AR Comrade. Today, let's go down to the business with a topic name, let me say, kinds of noun. In the previous video, I have discussed about parts of speech. If you didn't watch that video, the link is in the description. Kinds of noun. There are 10 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, compound noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, diminutive noun, and the last one, gender noun. So let's see these all one by one with examples. Proper noun. Word proper is derived from Latin word proprio, that means on, one's own, or individual. And its definition is proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or a thing. But the point that should be remembered here, that is, it always starts with capital letter. For example, David, Sarah, Joseph, etc. Health Association, Oxford University, and the third like British, Christianity, Indian, etc. So you have seen these all words started with capital letters. So the main point in this is that proper noun ought to be started with capital letters. And the second one, common noun. A common noun is generic name for a person, place, or thing in a class or group. Common noun is always lowercased until and unless it either begins a sentence or appear in a little. For example, the color of cat is black. Now cat is found everywhere, it's common. Cat is sitting under the table. Other examples are like teacher. Teacher is also common. Teacher is found everywhere, in every university, in every college. Book is also common. Apple, etc. And the third one is collective noun. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. As it is by its name, collective noun means group of people, animals, or things. For people, like a class of students, means it's one kind of group. A panel of experts. For animals, a flock of birds, a hive of bees. And for things, a bunch of flowers, a pair of shoes, etc. And the fourth one is material noun. Material nouns are names of material or substances out of which things are made. Material noun is uncountable, as it is in the form of liquid, semi-liquid, or solid. Means material noun can be in the form of liquid, semi-liquid, or solid. Examples of material noun from like nature: water, air, salt, coil, rock, etc. And from animals like egg, meat, milk, silk, etc. And from plants, cotton, food, wood, perfume, etc. And man-made, the things which are made by man, that is acid, butter, cement, etc. And the fifth one is abstract noun, which is also known as non-concrete noun. Word abstract is derived from Latin word abstractus, that means withdrawn or separated from materials, objects, or practical matters. Its definition is abstract noun is a type of a noun that one cannot see or touch. It may include an aspect, concept, idea, quality, feelings, or other entity that cannot be experienced with the five senses. Means these all things can't be touched, like ability, energy. Now energy can't be touched and can't be seen. Pain can't be touched and can't be seen. Relief, love, trust, bravery, etc. And the sixth one is compound noun. Compound noun is a noun that is made up of two words. If separated, that could not stand on their own. It is created by joining different parts of speech together. For example, parts of speech like noun plus noun, what that makes, like toothpaste, wallpaper, adjective plus noun, top hat, and redhead. Now, top hat, top is adjective and hat is noun. Redhead, redhead, red is adjective and head is noun. Then noun plus adjective, spoonful, wireless, and verb plus noun, chopstick, swimsuit. Now, chop is what? Verb, and stick is noun. The same swim is noun, sorry, verb, and suit is noun. And the other examples like adjective plus adjective, golden yellow, sea green, adjective plus verb, dry cleaning, and public speaking, verb plus preposition, drawback and check in, noun plus preposition, hanger on and passerby. The seventh type that we have about kinds of noun is countable noun. Countable noun refers to the items that can be counted, even if the number might be extraordinarily high. It can be used with articles such as a, and, the, or quantifiers such as a few and many others. For example, here are a few cats, here are many cats, and other examples like house, hand, paper, flower, etc. And the eighth one, we have uncountable noun. A noun that refers to things that normally are not or can't be counted is called uncountable noun. It's also known as, its other names are like mass noun, noun count noun, or partitive noun. It can't be preceded by a and an. Rain, floor, earth, etc. And the ninth one, diminutive noun. Diminutive means small. A diminutive word is a cubed version of a word or a name. And its definition is a noun that denotes smallness, contempt, or affection are called diminutive noun. For example, this is booklet. Now, book is what? Book is noun and let is diminutive. How beautiful duckling is that? Now, duck is what? Duck is noun and ling is what? Diminutive. David is nursling, etc. And the last one we have, that is gender noun. Word gender is taken from Latin word gens, meaning kind or sort, and its definition is a noun that can denote both male and female gender is said to be of a common gender. For example, person, parent, friend, enemy, servant, neighbor, etc. Then we have four types of gender. Let's see that too. The first one and kinds of gender are like, first one is masculine gender. Its definition is a noun that denotes a male is termed as masculine gender. For example, boy, son, king, lion, etc. And feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female is known as feminine gender. For example, girl, daughter, queen, and lioness, etc. And its third type is common gender. A noun that denotes either a male or female is known as common gender. For example, people, thief, baby, etc. Means common gender, it's found everywhere. Now the stealer, robber, that's found everywhere. Same, the people are found everywhere. Baby is found everywhere. In every home there is a baby. So these all comes in the category of common gender. And the last one we have, that is neuter gender. A noun that denotes lifeless objects are known as neuter gender. For example, book, pen, watch, etc. Well, the word which you have to remember in neuter gender, that is lifeless means the thing which doesn't have life, that is called neuter gender. So this was video about kinds of noun and kinds of gender. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot and you have gotten it. If still you people have any query regarding this topic, you can freely ask in comment section. See you in the next video. The next video I'm going to go is cases of noun. So see you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.